I have another bag from Hermes unboxing for you guys, and I have to say this is the one that really got me in there. If you didn't see my first Hermes unboxing, I'll link it down if you want to check that one out. But in that video, I kind of explained how I got into the Hermes handbags in that journey. But to make it real quick, I am a Louis Vuitton girl. I always bought Louis Vuitton bags, but when the new makeup line came out, it just, I don't know, something just kind of turned off in me. I still like the Louis Vuitton bags, and there's a couple that I'm looking at, but for right now, I am looking at Hermes bags. Now, at the same time Louis Vuitton was coming out with the new makeup line, Hermes was coming out with a new eyeshadow palette. So I went to the store to pick it up, and while I was there, I saw, the display of some of the bags that they have. And mind you, I never thought about Hermes bags. The only bag I know was the Birkin, that's from Sex and the City. I haven't seen one in person. I don't know all the different bags, the names of them. If I see someone walking down with an Hermes bag, I wouldn't know what it is. But when I was there and I saw this bag, and it was the Constance 18, it had that big beautiful H on it, and my name is Heba and I love anything with H. I started asking, okay, what about this bag? But unfortunately with Hermes, there is kind of a game, if you will, if you want to get some of their popular bags. And the popular bags, of course, is the Birkin, and the other one is the Kelly. And I had to do some research about what the Kelly is, and that's a pretty bag too. But when I saw the Constance and asked if there was a bigger size, there is, and it's a 24. That's the one I wanted. But of course, you had to put your name on a waiting list. The Constance is kind of considered one of the popular bags, like the Birkin and the Kelly. So I did put my name on a waiting list for the Constance 24, and I didn't know what color to pick because, mind you, I didn't know what colors there are. But while I was there, she did show me this bag that you can buy now, and it's the Evelyn 29 in gold with palladium hardware. And that's the bag that I did pick up, and that's the one I did the video on, the unboxing. And I love that bag. That is just a really nice, casual bag, and it fits everything, and it's just beautiful. And a month later, my SA texts me that she has a surprise for me. And when she texts me, my husband and I, we were in Egypt, and I text back, it's like, oh no, I won't be able to be there for another week or 10 days. She said, don't worry, it will be here when you get back. And she did let me know what it is, and it's the Constance 24 in the color that I wanted. Like I said, I did some research. I didn't want the common colors like black or gold. I wanted a deep red, and the deep red that I found was in Rouge H. It's one of Hermes' signature colors. So the whole time we were in Egypt, I was just thinking about that bag, showing pictures of it to my husband. And when we came back, I did pick it up. And I also picked up a couple of other things as well. So let me show you the other things that I did pick up. Now, I did pick up these shoes, and I didn't pick it up the same time as when I picked up the bag and the scarf. I think I picked it up before we went to Egypt. And these are sandals in suede, and it has that shearling insole, which will really keep your feet warm. Let me take the tissue out. Granted, these are men's. I do have big feet. I'm a size 12 or 42. So when I saw these, I did have to pick them up because they are just so cute, and it does have the H, and it's in the suede, and I want to say the color is Braun. Let me look at the receipt. I know I'm going to pronounce it wrong, but it's Braun Fumé. So it does look like it's gold, but this is in Braun Fumé. They also had a black leather one, which they didn't have my size, and believe me, if they had it there, I'd probably pick that up too. Because these are very casual, very comfortable, and it'll keep your feet warm while freeing the toes. If you will. I kind of liken it to when, you sleep and you have one leg out of the covers and one leg in to regulate your temperature. That's how I see it when I see these shoes, because it will keep your feet warm while kind of, exposing the toes to where you're not so hot. And when we came back from Egypt, I did pick up the bag and this scarf, and this scarf kind of matches the bag. It does come in its own box. And look at that. That's real pretty. Let me look at this receipt to show the color of it, or the name. It says it's the Festival Amazon bandana. It is 70% cashmere and 30% silk. And this one, when I saw it hanging, this will be perfect to match with my bag. See, it does have the horse motif there. Yeah, this is very pretty. I could have put this on right now, huh? I've been now watching videos on how to tie a scarf. Definitely not a pro at it yet. This is the only way I know how to wear them. But yeah, I've been watching how to tie your scarf to make it, a little bit more elegant. So I did pick this one up. Let me just put that there. And now let me show you my new bag. I did kind of open it up and retied it to show my husband when I got home. Let's go ahead and see this bag. There we go, look at that. And let me take it out, it has its own dust cover. And before I show the bag, look, it comes with its own pillow. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm gonna put the box there. And then here is my Constance 24 in Rouge H. There's a special way to say it, Rouge H, I believe so. But let's take this cover off so you can really see the color. And look at that, it has gold hardware. And you open it up like that, it's magnetic. Let's take this off. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? And again, this is 24 and it's in Epsom leather. And when you turn it around, it does have a little pocket outside, which is nice. And it has a strap. And what I can't get over is that this is a continuous strap. There's no buckle, there's no seam. This is like a round strap with no beginning and no end. You can wear it like this on your shoulder, or you can lift it up like that and wear it a little bit long on your shoulder. Now crossbody, I'll put a little video here. It's a little bit high up when I wear a crossbody. Let me go ahead and finish showing you the bag. Again, this is in Rouge H with gold hardware. And this is what the side looks like. You can stand it up and let's open it. And let's take this out. There is a zipper inside and it's in gold. And there's also pockets here on the other side. And inside one of those pockets, there is a mirror, which is really nice. And the little tab here also comes in the same color and leather. Let me just put this back in here. Yes, I wanted the 24 because the 18 is just a little bit small and I just like bigger bags. So let me show you, I do have the iPhone, I believe the 17, the Pro Max, the big one. And this one will fit very easy. And it'll fit my wallet, whatever I need in here. I mean, you can see my phone in there, it just fits very, very nicely in. And the scent of the Hermes leather, oh my gosh. Now the inside flap, I don't know what leather this is, but it's not the Epsom. It's a little bit smoother, whereas the Epsom leather is a little bit more, has that stamped little texture to it. I am so excited for this bag. I love it, and I just love that H right here. It's just gorgeous. Oh yeah, let me show you the little knobs where the strap is. It's also in gold. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna double up the strap, and you can wear it like this. Very comfortable. And very pretty. I love it. Or you just let one side go and you could wear it a little bit longer like this. Now crossbody, it does sit a little bit high, so that's not very comfortable. I don't know if you can wear it behind you. No, it's kind of choking me. So yeah, this one's not going to be how I would wear this bag. You can also wear it like this. But most likely I'll be doubling up the strap and just wearing it this high because I think it's very comfortable and very cute. Isn't that beautiful? Love the color. And let's see. So let me show you what I can fit in here. My phone, a small wallet, my Louis Vuitton wallet, and probably my readers. There we go. And shut it. And yeah, isn't that beautiful? I love the color. I do have a couple other bags that I want to put on my wish list, but this is the one that I really wanted first. It's just beautiful, and in this color. I love it. And the other two bags that I want are considered quota bags. I believe you're only allowed 2 a year. Some stores consider the Constance 24 a quota bag. I honestly don't know if our store does that. I don't know how that works, but I did get my Constance 24. So again, the other 2 bags that I want are considered quota bags. So it's gonna be a while for me to get those bags, but what I want on my wish list is a Birkin 35, and it is one of the big ones. I think the popular ones is a Birkin 25 or a Birkin 30, but I just like big bags. So it's a Birkin 35, and I would like it in chocolate, like a dark brown, or something like, there's this color there called Alizane, but in the brown beige family. And then the other bag that I'd like to get is a Kelly 28. Again, that's a bigger size. The popular ones are the Kelly 25 and the mini Kelly, and those are just too small. But for now, I'm just gonna have fun using my Constance 24 and my Evelyn 29. And if I get those bags, it will be great. I would love them, and I'm kind of hoping I do get those bags. It's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be a while. But I think right now I'm really into Hermes bags, and actually bags in general. Just other bags besides Louis Vuitton. And of course, I've been watching Sophia Sees Beauty, and she has beautiful handbags. So I'm kind of watching what she what she kind of suggests. But again, for now, I am happy with this one. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me unboxing my new Hermes Constance 24 in Rouge H, or Rouge H. So if you liked it and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.